In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add social login to your WooCommerce store so customers can sign in using Google and other social accounts instead of creating a new username and password. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce friction during login and checkout, improve user experience, and increase conversions in your store. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from installing the plugin to enabling it on your checkout page. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce and WordPress tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in Nextend Social Login. This is the plugin we'll use to power the social login functionality. It's free, reliable, and works seamlessly with WooCommerce. Once you see Nextend Social Login in the results, click Install Now, and after installation finishes, click Activate. Now that the plugin is active, we need to enable the social providers. From your dashboard, go to Settings and then click on Nextend Social Login. You'll see a grid of available providers like Google, Facebook, and others. Let's start with Google since it's the most commonly used. On the Google tile, click Getting Started. Next, click on Google to open its configuration page. You'll see a Guide tab that walks you through creating credentials in the Google Cloud Console. Don't worry if it looks technical. Nextend provides direct links that take you exactly where you need to go. Follow the guide to create a new project in Google Cloud, set up OAuth credentials, and generate your client ID and client secret. Once you have your client ID and client secret, come back to your WordPress dashboard. Paste those details into the appropriate fields under the Settings tab for Google, then click Save Changes. After saving, click the blue Verify Settings button. A pop-up window should appear asking you to log in with your Google account. If the login works without errors, that means your integration is set up correctly. Now let's make sure the social login buttons actually appear in your WooCommerce store. While still inside Nextend Social Login settings, click on the Global Settings tab at the top, then select the WooCommerce subtab. Here you can control exactly where the social login buttons will display. You'll see several options. Enable the login form option to show the social login before or after the default WooCommerce login form. Enable the registration form option so users can sign up using Google directly from the registration page. And most importantly, enable the checkout page option so customers can log in quickly at the top of the checkout. This is extremely helpful for reducing cart abandonment. Once you've checked these boxes, click Save Changes. There's one crucial final step that many people forget. Social login will not work properly if user registration is disabled in WordPress, so go to Settings and then General. Scroll down until you find the Membership option. Make sure the box labeled Anyone Can Register is checked. This allows new users who sign in with Google to automatically create an account on your site. After checking it, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully added social login to your WooCommerce store. Now your customers can log in and register using their Google account, making the entire shopping experience faster and more convenient. If you want, you can also repeat the same process to enable Facebook or other providers inside Nextend Social Login. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WooCommerce guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.